Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'll be telling you how to apply for the Rossari Biotech IPO in Zerodha. For that, you have to go to your application. Once you're into your application, you have to press your profile icon. This is the last button on the bottom of the screen. Once you click it, you will be here in your account section. Under this, you have to go to console and you'll see the option for IPO here. Once you click this IPO option, it will open a web page on your web browser. So here you will see that Rossari Biotech has started the IPO and you can bid. And you can bid uh, in the multiples of 35, like 35, 70 and so on. So once you have to bid, you have to provide your UPI ID. I'll be like marking it out for the video purpose. You have to provide your UPI ID. Then you have to provide the quantity like 35. Cutoff price, this is the maximum price. Like I'll show you it again. See, this is the price range. Like you can bid in between 423 to 425. So once you click this uh, apply button, the 35 shares, when you are putting it on cutoff price, it means it will be taking 425. So if you want to specify some other price in between that range, you can enter that amount. Like 35 you want it at 424, another 35 at 423, and then say suppose 350 at the cutoff price. So after you have specified your quotation, you have to accept the terms and conditions and then submit it. Currently I'm not applying for this IPO. Not currently, even I'll not be applying for this IPO. I'm not interested to invest my money in IPO right now. I'll be putting it in shares. So anyways, if you're like proceeding with the IPO, you have to accept the terms and conditions, and after that you have to submit it. Once you submit it, you'll get a mandate a notification on your UPI app. So go there and just approve the request, and it will place a bid for you. After the bid is placed, you don't have to do anything. You just have to bid for the allotment. And when you have submitted the bid here, you have to make sure that you get a mandate request on your UPI app. If you have not got it, you have to raise the bid application again. In case you're not approving the mandate, then your application will be considered as rejected. So it is very important that you are approving this request. And in case some problem is there, you can directly contact the Zerodha support, or you can drop your comments below. So that's it for this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ishant Nair. I'll be putting great videos for you. Thank you.